Memorizing the three basic trig ratios is important. Let's take a look at each of the three basic ratios. The sine of angle A is found by dividing the side opposite the angle by the hypotenuse. Let's look at an example in which we find the sine of an angle. Here's a right triangle with legs of 3 and 4 units and a hypotenuse of 5 units. Let's find the sine of angle A. We start by finding the side opposite angle A, which is 3 units long in this triangle. The hypotenuse in this triangle is 5 units long, so we find the sine of angle A by dividing 3 by 5. The ratio we get, 6/10, is the sine ratio for angle A. The cosine of angle A is found by dividing the side adjacent to the angle by the hypotenuse. Let's look at another example in which we find the cosine of an angle. Here's a right triangle with legs of 8 and 15 units and a hypotenuse of 17 units. Let's find the cosine of angle A. This time we start by locating the side adjacent to angle A, which in this example is 15 units long. Next, we must find the length of the hypotenuse, which is 17 units long. To find the cosine of angle A, we then divide 15 by 17. The ratio we get, 882 thousandths, is the cosine ratio for angle A. The tangent of angle A is found by dividing the side opposite the angle by the side adjacent to the angle. Let's look at one last example in which we find the tangent of an angle. Here's a right triangle with legs of 5 and 12 units and a hypotenuse of 13 units. Let's find the tangent of angle A. This time we take the side opposite angle A, which is 12 units, and the side adjacent, which is 5 units long. To find the tangent of angle A, we must divide 12 by 5. The ratio we get, 2 and 4/10, is the tangent ratio for angle A. Let's review the three basic trig functions. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. One more time. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. That looks like SOHCAHTOA.